guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, the best channel in the world. Welcome back to a Phayte effect. So guys, for today's video we're going to be talking about groundnut soup. Yes, I'm going to be sharing my groundnut soup recipe with you guys. This is a very special dish that Nigerians make and I cannot wait for you guys to see it. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you drop a comment below telling me if you've tried this groundnut soup before, and also do not forget to turn on your post notification, because as you know, I always give post notification shout outs on each video. So before we proceed with today's video, it is just right that we go over the benefits of groundnut soup. Number 1 benefit is it improves your heart health. Number 2, good for weight loss. And number 3, promotes fertility. Number 4 benefit is it enhances your brain functions. The 5th one, it gives you a healthy skin. And the last one on our list, it prevents gallstones. So now that we know the benefits of groundnut soup, let's jump straight into the ingredients for preparing this delicious soup. Number 1 is fresh groundnuts, onions, pepper, shombo, ice fish, chicken, goat meat, scent leaf, kpomo, stockfish, seasoning, curry and thyme, palm oil, and crayfish. So the first step is to fry our groundnut. As you can see, I am not using any oil to fry it. It's just the way that my mom actually makes it, and I love this method so much. You can also buy the ones that are already fried at the market, but I just decided to do mine like this. After frying, I'm placing it on this beautiful tray so that it can cool down. Now the whole reason for doing this thing is so that, you know, when I want to peel the groundnuts, it will be very easy. So after it had cooled down like 10 minutes, as you can see, I am peeling my groundnut. And basically I was just being so aggressive with it because I wanted to get it over with. Here's my groundnuts all peeled, and I am so excited to move to the next stage. So here is my food processor. It can actually grind dry and it can grind like, you know, with water like pepper and all those things. So I am putting my groundnut inside and I will be using my food processor to grind it smoothly. Now in case if you also want yours too, it is also available, so you can place your order in the comment section. As you can see, my groundnut has been grinded so much, and yeah, I cannot wait to start making my soup with this. So let's get down to business. Right now I have my goat meat, I'm adding it to the pot. I have my chicken, I'm adding it to the pot. I have my chopped onions and I will also be adding that to the pot. Now the idea, I'm going to be adding a little water and curry into my pot. I actually want to sauce my chicken and my meat together. So I'm adding my seasoning, I'm stirring it a little bit. And yeah, I'll cover it and leave it to steam till it gets tender and soft. Over here I have another pot and I'll be adding my palm oil too. Right here I have my onions, my pepper and crayfish, and I'll be frying it. So I'll also be adding my meat stock into the pot. Over here I have my kpomo and stockfish, and I'll be adding it to the pot and covering it to steam. here I have my ice fish. This is shower. I don't know the English name for it, and I love this fish so much. And I get some people say that they can't eat this fish without being fried, but I can. So I'll be adding my seasoning, you know, to add that nice flavor to my soup, and I will be stirring it, covering it to also steam. Right now, I'm adding a cup of water into my soup. I'm adding our grinded groundnut into it too, and I'll just be stirring it. You know, let it mix with its brothers and sisters, and you rishi in the pot. Now I'm covering it and leaving it to cook. After 15 minutes, this is what my soup was looking like, and I decided to add our goat meat and chicken into our soup. And right now I'm stirring. So here is my scent sleeve, and I'm adding it into the pot of soup. I will be stirring it, and some people use other leaves, but I decided to just use only scent leaf for this soup today. So now I'm covering it and leaving it to steam. After 10 minutes, our soup was officially ready. I think this is actually my favorite part of my cooking videos, getting to see the end product, and that is why I actually love cooking. After mixing different ingredients together, and then you not get that perfect looking soup with so much orishi, you know, in it, and everything. You just my god, this soup looks so yummy, and I decided to serve you guys, my Phayte Effects family. Trust me, to start eating it while watching a movie. I absolutely love groundnut soup so much. I decided to design my eba too. I wanted to go with like a restaurant look, you know, those restaurants you go to and they will say a plate is 20,000 naira. But anyway, I really had so much fun today with you guys. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, drop a comment below in the comment section, you know, telling me if you'd actually try this groundnut soup, and also do not forget to turn on your post notification. So guys, it is post notification shout out time. Today's post notification shout out goes to Real Life with Glory, Nessie Emmanuel, Constance Omorodion, and Joy Oyekina. Thank you guys so much for turning on your post notification. Thank you guys for being one of the first people to comment on my last video. I really love you guys. Thank you. And thank you, my lovely Phayte Effects family, for watching this video. I will see you guys next time on my YouTube channel. I love you. Mwah.